Hi guys, welcome back to Tracy's Natural Hair Care. If you are visiting here for the first time, I'm very happy to have you and I hope you'll stay until the end of this video. Today, I'll be visiting my mom to remove the braids that were installed in her hair 8 weeks ago, and I'll be doing a wash and treat and a simple flat twist protective style. I'm sure you want to see that, so please stick around. What I'll actually be doing is using a simple mixture to soften the hair before I actually remove the braids. So all I am going to use is coconut Creme of Nature Conditioner, and I'm going to mix that with water and apply it to the hair just to soften it a bit. So what I'm gonna do right now is to give her hair a treatment. I noticed that the hair shaft is very fragile. It's practically breaking, and I can feel that it's not strong. So I am going to give it a treatment today. I'm going to be using Hair Mayonnaise, right? In addition to that, I'm going to apply some extra virgin olive oil to the hair, as well as use the Hair Mayonnaise. I'm going to put the steam cap on and let it stay for half an hour. I am also going to be applying a little heat. I'm going to use a blow dry to apply a little heat while the steam cap is on, so that the hair will be able to benefit from the steam. Okay. So the heat will actually open up the hair cuticles and allow the nutrients from the hair mayonnaise and the olive oil to penetrate the scalp and stimulate growth. It will definitely strengthen the hair shaft. As I said, her hair shaft is very weak, and so she will need this treatment, a protein treatment, to help. This says it actually helps for weak and damaged hair, right? It has in natural herbs, it has in olive oil and egg protein. So that is very, very vital for hair to assist in bringing it or restoring it back to good health. Right now, I'm just going to be applying a simple protective style, and this is supposed to stay in her hair for another couple of weeks. I will leave it undisturbed before I go ahead and braid it again. So I'm just going to do a simple flat twist, and as you see, I'm going to be adding some accessories to make, enhance the look of the hair. So that was a task, right? I definitely hope you enjoyed it, and I'm happy that you were able to stay with me. So until I share another video with you, this is Tracy saying thank you. See you. Bye.